Hello everyone. Now we'll see how to void a document after it has been sent for signing. So first we'll upload a document to check it out. So I'm uploading a file from my system and then fill in all the necessary details and click confirm and then add your signature field and click send. So after sending your document, when you realize that you no longer want the document to be viewed or signed by the recipient, you can make the document void anytime. So for that, click on the three dots beside the document and then click void document and confirm that you want this document to be void. So now we'll go and check the mail. So here we have received an invitation to sign the document. But once we select the sign now, it shows that this document is no longer in effect and has been voided by your sender. So this is how you can void your document after sending it. Thank you.